Tasting 1 2 1 2. What is this video even all about? I have no idea what I'm doing this video on, but yeah. Here we go. Hey guys, and welcome back to the makeup mess. So I'm literally online browsing through like makeup stuff and like what's new. Guys, and welcome back to the makeup mess. So basically I'm literally online right now looking at like what's new, what's hot regarding makeup and all that stuff. And I clicked this wonderful, well, I clicked a link, it's not really wonderful, but I clicked a link from one of the YouTube girls and it led me through to like the MAC website. And I was so taken aback because now they have this new feature where you can basically sort of like try on the products on the website before you buy it. So I'm going to show you guys how this works. I'm super surprised, super cool, super like advanced, I think, and it's like, yeah, it's quite like technology, it's taking over, guys. So I'm going to show you this cool thing I discovered on mac.co, well, maccosmetics.com. Okay, cool. Oh, okay, hold on, like, how is this lighting? I need to just check the lighting. How's the lighting? Come on, man. Wait a second. Oh, jeez. Okay. Cool. Am I comfortable? I am. Is the lighting fine? Oh, this is so exhausting. Ugh. Oh, look at that. That is so cool, guys. So like literally, oh my god, that is so cool. It's even got like a gloss shine to it. Like, oh my word. I really love this. So this is what it looks like, guys. So you can literally go on the MAC website, have a look to see what color lipsticks they have, try them on, sort of see what, like, you know, what suits you. I love it. Look how like shiny, and my teeth look so white. So I'm gonna try the other colors. So this is the color. What color is this? It's stunning. I love this color. This is Paint wait, what? Paint and Paint Lip Liqueur. This is the color Slick Flick. I think I'm definitely gonna get Slick Flick. This is, yeah, well, let's try this color over here. It's a different color. Oh wow, this is so cool. So you can try out all the different colors. This is quite nice as well. Super bold. I like how it has a sheen and like a shine to it. Quite cool. Okay, cool. So let's try well, let's try maybe eyes. Okay, cool, guys. So that's literally it. I hope you guys sort of learned something new. I never knew MAC did this online, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Try out some really cool lipsticks, see what fits your skin color, and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.